In this video, I'm going to show how to store text as text files in Minio. So, for that, we need to use Minio Python library. I'm using Python for uploading the text into text files. So, first we can create a folder text uploader cd text uploader. I'm just opening it in VS Code. So the project folder is ready. Now we need to create a file uploader.py. It is very helpful to store text into text file for machine learning or big data analysis, those kind of things, right? So first I'm creating the Python environment using pipenv install. I'm first installing the Minio package library. I'm using Python 3.7. So it's easy to use Python environment using pipenv. So it's installed. So I'm activating the environment now, pipenv shell. So now the Python environment is activated. Next, we need to import the Python package from Minio. Import Minio. I'm importing the Minio capital M. Then from Minio.error, I'm importing response error. Response error. Okay. It's in Python. Before uploading text into Minio, we need to convert into byte buffer. Then only we can store into Minio server. So from Minio, import. Then for that, we need to import byte IO from IO. Import bytes IO. Bytes IO will create the in-memory buffer from bytes. First we need to convert text into byte, then that converted bytes into pass into the memory buffer. Okay, so I imported this. Now we need to initiate the client, Minio client here. So Minio client equal to Minio. For that we need to, for connecting the Minio, we need the host equal to here I already running the Minio server on local host and port 9000, that is default port of Minio. Then we need the access key and access secret. Access key equal to, I already created that when I started Minio. See, this is my access key. Then secret key. key equal to I am Minio. Both are I already created. If you want to configure the server, you can look into my previous video. So host, I'm just putting the configuration here. Host, then access key equal to access key, then secret key equal to secret key, and I'm not using SSL here, so I need to put secure equal to false. If you have SSL certificate, you need to use secure equal to true. Now the connection is initiated, so next we need to upload the text. For that, I'm using a sample text here. Text my Minio content. Okay, I already created the bucket here, so text bucket here. So I'm deleting one already created one object. I'm going to delete this. So I'm storing to text into this text bucket here. So this is the text. First we need to convert into bytes buffer, in memory buffer content equal to bytes IO bytes into the pass the text, and then encoding format UTF H encoding format. So convert into in memory buffer, content into memory buffer. So next we need a key for this, sample dot text. This is the key, and we need the content size here. Size equal to content dot get buffer in nanobytes. Okay, so that's ready. So now we can try to upload text. Okay, try Minio client, order create client dot put object. I'm using put object method. I will explain in next video what kind of API is available in Minio. So first we need to use the bucket already created a bucket, right? So bucket name equal to text. So first parameter is bucket name, then next key object key, then content, then the content size. You need to add the content size here. So this is it. Next the response error we need to print that here. Error, okay. If it is success, we need to print something here. So done. I'm printing done here. It is done. So now we can run the Python script here. Python loader. Okay. Here you can see the done is printed here. So the file is created. Let's check with the the UI. I just refreshed it. So you can see the text file here. Text I just misspelled into txt file extension. That's okay. I'm going to download the object here. You can open with the text editor. Let's see. Yeah. So now you can see my Minio content. See here. That means it's stored properly, uploaded into S3, not S3, Minio. It's alternative to S3. So it's uploaded into Minio. So this is the basics of how to store text into Minio server. Next video I'll show how to use different commands, I mean APIs in Minio server, and also how to create the user profile and access secrets, those kind of things. Now winding up this video. Anyway, thanks.